Okay, so after I made my last video, I also noticed on a bunch of other Dell Mini, the few videos that were on there, that people were asking about Microsoft Office 2007, and somebody also commented this video about, or my last video of my review, asking about Microsoft Office 2007. So what I did, I don't use Microsoft Office 2007. I use something else, which I will get into in just a minute, but I went ahead and I downloaded the trial. My problem with Microsoft Office is that it costs way more than it's worth, personally. If you don't agree, that's fine, but it costs way more than it's worth. It's Microsoft, and I'm getting a little. I like Windows. I think they've outdone themselves in making it better, but there are other products usually I just don't get along with. But I went ahead and downloaded the trial. So during the installation, let me tell you, on the Dell Mini I had problems. My CPU usage shot up way over during the whole installation. It crashed the Explorer.exe and a bunch of other stuff because of the .NET framework and stuff. I really couldn't even get into the issue. I had to force my computer to shut down and stuff. It really was an irritation. But I got it installed, and the programs, once they're installed, they start up pretty quickly, I guess. So it's not, that's Microsoft Word, and everything. I don't use these programs, so I don't even really know much about them, since I used them a long time ago, before they were 2007. But the programs themselves work okay. I think they're a little bit jumpy, but I don't know if that's just how Microsoft Word is. So Microsoft Excel. Microsoft PowerPoint. I said they seem to work pretty good. There's no huge problem with them. CPU usage isn't bad, so of course in-depth use I don't know. I'm not even a big user of any Office tools because it's not really what I do, but as you can see, those work. What I use though is OpenOffice. You can go to OpenOffice.org. That's a free program, and it installed perfectly fine, no crashes, quickly. It's actually a smaller program. It does what I need. I mean, if you're some student that uses it, it will open and read Microsoft Office documents and stuff. It has, you start a text document, and I think it works just as good as, if not better, than Microsoft Office does. So. And it's much better for a netbook because it runs much smoother than Microsoft Word. You got spreadsheet, presentation, which is like PowerPoint. That's OpenOffice.org is what that is, and if you're willing to shell out the money for Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, it works fine on the Dell Mini, so that's fine too. I'm not. I think it's a waste of money that you could spend on much other stuff when OpenOffice does the same stuff. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but so far I've never had any kind of problems where I needed to do something that OpenOffice couldn't do and Microsoft Office could. I've never ran into that issue, but then again, I'm not some high-end business person or in-depth student that might need Microsoft Office. But as far as I've, documents, presentations, spreadsheets, all that stuff, OpenOffice does it perfectly fine and runs great on the netbook. Microsoft Office works mediocre on the netbook, very bad installing, crashes, crashing other programs, totally unrelated, but it managed to overload my CPU because the installer, I don't know, I had to restart it, and but I did get it installed after you mess with it. Maybe you'll get lucky and yours will just go on through. But I did get it installed and they work fine, so that's that. And there's your answer to the Microsoft Office 2007 question.